Kia ora folks, my name's Micheal Stoodley and I'm just here to share with you my pinky blue web camera overlays or underlays or placeholders or whatever we want to call them for Loom. Loom's pretty much one of my favorite screen capture pieces of software. You can use it for voice messaging, obviously capturing your software or literally creating a podcast, just literally anything you could think of. We're going to move over here. I've got, let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. You can see basically I'm just calling them Pinky Blue 2, which is a little bit bigger. This one here plays through and reverses, and then there's a whole variation on them. Let's go ahead and get one of them running, shall we? So we'll just run the slideshow. We'll take my screen over here, and if we just place that nicely over the top, and in the PowerPoint, it just plays automatically. So if you want to download the PowerPoint, I'll put a link in the description below, and that's going to work fine. So let's move to the next slide. You can see this one's a little bit bigger and that it comes up here. My next one, again, I'll just need to move these down. So you just choose which one you want to use. This one will loop through and then it reverses backwards. So I haven't actually checked to see how nicely the other ones loop. Let's go to the next one. This is just a variation on those ones. Now these placeholders you don't have to leave there. You can delete those if you want to get rid of them, and you can even scale the video up and down depending on how big you want your Loom to be. Again, just another variation, there we go. And now this one here, I've actually stuck it in basically an example of how you could use the Loom. So you can see the dates popped up. So I might be using this as a asynchronous message that I'm sending to my students rather than using a Hangout or a Zoom. So first of all, I want to give them a reminder that, hey, check your email at 9 and 1:30 since we're doing this as a online learning exercise. Speaking of exercise, make sure you get some exercise today. Check the distance learning portal for ideas, and as you can see now, you can create these however you want. This is just an example. Now if you do like what I've created here, please should we just make you a little bit smaller, or just who knows, just pop you there. My name is Micheal Stoodley, by the way. You don't need to create any attribution or anything like that. I don't have a problem with that, but it'll be great if you could find my YouTube channel and subscribe either to this playlist or one that maybe I create in the future. I will be able to be found on Facebook. How I get my page out there, we will see. Keep checking back for more resources because I have more of these to be released. A few of them have been created today, but we'll start with these pretty shiny pinky blues. Thank you.